Introducing a delicate 2.5 wide hair tie, crafted from luxurious mulberry silk. Join me in this video tutorial as I guide you through the art of hand sewing this exquisite accessory. Working with the soft and slippery nature of natural mulberry silk demands patience and a gentle touch, so take your time and stitch with care. Sew the two ends together, leaving at least 0.8 numbable margin. Sew the two edges together. Remember to leave at least 0.5 margin. Gap about 2 centimeters. We need a rubber band measuring approximately 1 centimeter in width and 19 in length. Stitch both ends of the rubber band, ensuring they are secured 1 centimeter from the edge. I don't suggest to make a knot here, as frequent pulling may cause the rubber band to loosen over time. Then sew the gap. The beautiful mulberry silk hair tie is ready